Hi guys, you're welcome to Halogenius Ideas. In this tutorial, I'll explain quickly the meaning of the name equal to main Python construct. Okay, this special Python construct acts like a gatekeeper that determines whether the code runs directly, whether you're executing the code directly or when the script is imported. That is basically what it serves as. For example, in this pizza shop, I have two files, the pizza shop and the restaurant.py file. So in this pizza shop, I'm going to create a function, then I'll try to execute the function directly from here, then execute the function from here. Then we see the difference basically. So starting, I'll say def make pizza, then I'm going to be supplying the size of the pizza. Okay, then I'll just say print um, a formatted string, no, a formatted string that says making pizza of size, then I'll bring in the size, which is size. Okay, so this is the function that we're going to be executing both ways. So come to the next line, let me just print something loaded module loaded. So after this, I'll bring in the name equal to main construct. If name equal to underscore main underscore, then I'll just print um, welcome to the pizza shop. So I'll just say this pizza shop, let me say direct mode. Okay, so come to the next line and say make pizza. And what size of pizza do I want to make? Large. Okay, large. So if I should save this and I execute this script directly, it will first of all print module loaded. Then since name, the thing is that when you are executing a script directly, Python automatically sets the value of name to main, okay, as the check to ensure that the script is being executed directly. So since I'm executing directly, for this particular example, name equal to main, then it will print all these other ones, then makes the picture. Okay, we are going to be running the alternative, then you see the difference. Open the terminal. In VS Code, you can come here, then your terminal, then you click on new terminal. So this is the terminal. Then I can just say Python, then make, no, pizza shop, Python pizza shop.py. If I run this, you can see what I have. Module loaded. Now, because I'm executing directly, name equal to main, so therefore I'm going to be getting welcome to pizza shop, which is the direct mode, then make pizza. Now, if I want to make pizza, you can see the function making pizza of size, then size, which I supplied large. That's the reason the function is giving me back large. So let's see the alternative route to run this particular function, then we compare. So running the code a different way, I'll just say import pizza shop. The reason I can import pizza shop, like I said, both of them are in the same directory. I don't know if I've said it before, both of them are in the same directory. So import pizza shop. Then if I should come to the next line, I can do something like print opening restaurant. Then after opening my restaurant, the next thing I want to do is pizza shop dot make pizza. Then I can just give it a size of maybe small. Okay, now let me try to run this file directly. Don't forget, both files are executing the make pizza function, but you will see the difference now. So come here and save this, then python restaurant.py. You can see module loaded. In both instances, this is printed. Okay, module loaded, because module loaded is not under this block of code. It is on the root block. Okay, so module loaded, opening restaurant. You won't see welcome to pizza shop. What you're going to be getting is opening restaurant, then pizza shop don't make pizza, and this is the function over here, making pizza of size. And don't forget, the size of the pizza we are making is the small size. That's why I'm getting small size. So that is it basically. That is it basically. The difference when you include this name equal to main, it just keeps track of the fact that this script you are executing it directly or you are importing it into another Python script. So that is just it. Why does this particular name equal to main construct? Why does it matter? The first one is code organization. It keeps your code very, very clean. Also, you might be adding some test codes that you only want to run if the script is being executed directly. Then the last one will be reusability so that others can import your functions without running the entire program. Okay, so that will be all for this tutorial. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please, the comment section is available. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.